Okay, let's consider a point where the angle is alpha, this point here. So it has a vertical and a horizontal component. The vertical component is going to be your sine alpha, if we just take it to be a unit in length for the hypotenuse, and the adjacent is going to be cos alpha. Now if you rotate this an angle of theta degrees, it'll now be here somewhere. Now still 1, and this angle now in here is theta. Okay, so this is what's happened basically, is just a rotation from this point to this point. That's before we go any further, look at what this point is. This point here is sine alpha cos alpha. What's this point here going to be? Let's consider the blue triangle. It's getting a bit messy, so I'm just going to draw it out again. So here, this angle would be theta plus alpha. Hypotenuse is still 1, and then this the opposite would be sine of theta plus alpha, and the adjacent would be cos of theta plus alpha. So that's our answer. But we know actually we should get that answer if we take the object point and we rotate it using the matrix that's given in the question. We should get to there. So what are we saying? If we get the original point, sine alpha cos alpha, rotate it, i.e. use the matrix for rotating theta degrees, the answer to that should be the point sine theta plus alpha cos theta plus alpha. So sine theta plus alpha cos theta plus alpha is equal to, and then we do this matrix, we get cos theta sine alpha minus sorry, I lost my train of thought. Cos theta sine alpha minus sine theta cos alpha, and then on the bottom one we get sine theta sine alpha minus cos theta cos alpha. And what that does is it proves, if we compare the I component, or the x direction, the horizontal direction, we get this fact that sine of theta plus alpha is equal to cos theta sine alpha minus sine theta cos alpha. Something to use in A-level, ordinary A-level maths. It's called compound angle formula, these two facts. And that's a really nice proof using matrices to come up with that. You don't need to use matrices, but that's one approach. Very neat, succinct one. Beautiful, one could say.